Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Shy's 13 Random Facts. Please remember to hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons below this video. Then you will be informed every time he uploads a new Random Facts video. You may have noticed the female voice. My name is Crystal, and I get to help do a video. Today we're going to discuss and learn 13 random facts about lightning. So sit back, relax, and get ready to get electrified. Let's start with number 1. It is unwise to shower during a thunderstorm because lightning can travel through your plumbing. Apparently, my mom knew what she was talking about. Number 2. The longest bolt of lightning was seen in Dallas, Texas. It was 118 miles long. Number 3. There was once a time when the Empire State Building was used as a lightning laboratory, as it was hit by lightning a few dozen times in 1 year. That's freaking insane. Number 4, the leading cause of lightning injuries inside houses is from talking on the phone. Hey, feel free to add your thoughts in the comments section. Maybe he'll read some of your comments in a future video. Number 5, lightning produced by a thunderstorm kills more people than tornadoes. Number 6. A typical lightning bolt measures no more than half or maybe quarter of a dollar coin in width. However, it looks far more wider because of the bright light. If you have any interesting facts related to lightning that you'd like to throw in here that are not on the list, let us know. Throw them in. We want to hear it. Number 7. About 50 to 100 CG, cloud to ground, lightning strikes the Earth's surface every second. If you haven't gone over yet, you should definitely check out our other channel, Shy's Daily Trivia. There's actually some trivia over there that is about this video. Go check it out. Number 8. A tree hit by a lightning strike can explode. This happens because the enormous heat generated by the lightning strike vaporizes the sap of a tree and produces steam, which then escapes by exploding the tree trunk. How's that for mind blowing? Everybody stop, drop, and roll. Be crazy to see. Number 9. Green elves, red sprites, and blue jets are 3 different types of high altitude lightning. If you have any cool lightning facts that you don't see here, throw it in the comments. Number 10. A lightning strike can be seen from a distance of over 100 miles. However, the visibility depends on several factors like air clarity, height of the bolt, and even the elevation of the viewer. And we all know that lightning is better to watch from high above. You should probably come back tomorrow for some more random facts. He does post daily. They're pretty cool. It's always good to have water cooler conversation. Number 11. Spider lightning or lightning crawlers are known to travel a distance of over 35 miles. They travel across clouds, bottom or through frontal cloud squall lines. Owl crawler is yet another name used for describing spider lightning. So, are any of these surprising you? Number 12. Light travels faster than sound, and that's why a lightning strike can be seen first, and then the thunder. Thanks for joining me today. I hope it was educational for you, and I hope you learned at least one thing new. If so, tell a friend. And our last one, Lucky 13. Because of the speed difference between lightning and sound, it's actually possible to calculate the distance of storm. Sound takes 5 seconds to travel a distance of 1 mile. So, for every 5 seconds you count from the time you see the lightning to the time you hear the thunder equals 1 mile. Example, count 10. The storm is 2 miles away. That wraps up our lightning video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have an awesome sauce day, and we'll see you tomorrow.